All right, so you're going to do 2 sets of anywhere between 12 and 20 repetitions. If 12 is too hard, then lighten the weight. If you get to 20 or know you're going to get to 20 very easily, then you need to increase the weight. Make sure you're able to pause at the top of each of the lifts without it, not using momentum. All right, so the first lift that you're going to do is forward flexion. You're going to do 2 sets of 15 to 20, just up to shoulder height. Just like that. Your hands are almost straight, maybe turn in just a little bit. Pause, down nice and slow, pause nice and slow. Notice the elbows are straight. Okay, that one you're going to do with 4 pounds. Now we're going to lighten the weight to about 3 pounds. Same thing, so your thumbs are on top of the weight, and you're going to go up to here. And notice how my fingers are down straight ahead, and then my thumbs are going up. So they're straight ahead, and then up. Notice from the side, I'm not all the way back here. I'm just a little in front of the plane of my body. And yes, you can go above shoulder height on that one if you're comfortable. Then you're going to take your heavier weight, your 5-pounder. You're going to get down with your back parallel to the ground. Or you're going to lean on something, which is probably safer. Here, and you can go up, up. Notice I'm looking at the ground with my head straight. Okay, now you're going to do the sideline one where we put the towel roll up under your armpit so your arm is away from your body. Don't get it so soft so that it allows your body to come in, your arm to come in. And you're going to lie on your side. Here, make sure your body's perfectly perpendicular to the table or the floor. And you're going to come up and pause, up and pause. Make sure your hand doesn't go out or in, keeping your elbow at 90. If you're not sure if you're doing it right, try it without the weight. And wherever you see your hand here, the weight should get to every time. Don't use your body. Don't let your arm move. It's just pivoting right through your elbow here. Just like that. Okay? That's those. And then we have the ceiling press where you're going to use 2 different weights. I'm sorry, I faked you out. You're going to do the one where you're lying flat on the table. Here. You can come up and make sure your shoulder blade comes off the table. That one you're going to be using about 10 pounds. Again, everything so far is 2 sets of 15 to 20. On alternate days, you're going to go over to your chair that you can recline in. And you're going to do the same lift but a little lighter, maybe 8 pounds, starting here. And you're reaching at the top, and you want your arm to be perpendicular to the ceiling or the ground, like that. You don't want to be here or here. You want to be straight up and down. And again, you still want to reach at the top. Okay, those are all your shoulder exercises. And then we have the 2 or 4 elbow ones, depending on how you're looking at it. We've got the one where you're going, this is for your left elbow. You're going to be here, coming up, like that. And then the other one, elbow straight, coming up. This one might be a little lighter than that. The first one probably could do about 8 pounds on those, give or take. Then the one that you said you're doing with the bat, depending on how high or how light your bat is, you're going to grab it, elbow at 90 degrees, let it come down with control, and then up a little quicker. And then the second one, same thing. It might be a little harder, so you might not be able to hold as much of the bat. Same thing. Just like that. So those are your 4 elbow exercises for now. I think that's it. We'll talk about stretching and ice if we need it for any of those. But that's it for now.